Hello everyone, this is Florian and today's video is about the built-in input function. I already created a new REPL session so that I can show you how the built-in input function is working. And the easiest way to use the built-in input function is to invoke it without any arguments. So writing something like input. And now it asks me to write something, and let's say my name is Florian. And as you can see, it is directly printed in the REPL session. So in essence, it's returned by the input function. We can also capture it in a local variable. So something like phrase equals to input. And now it asks me again, write something. My name is Florian, hit enter. Nothing is printed to the terminal. So if I now type phrase, you can see that the string my name is Florian is captured inside of the phrase variable. When the user hits enter, as I did before when specifying my input, the input function removes the trailing new line character and returns the user's input. So even though I hit enter over here, no new line character is present over here. Furthermore, the built-in input function takes one positional argument called prompt. So it allows the user to specify a certain text, which is printed before asking for input. So I can say something like, let's say name equals to input and give me your name. Hit enter, and now give me your name. So my name is Florian. Hit enter, and in the local variable name, my name, so Florian, is stored. Keep in mind that no new line character or anything else is added after the text you passed to the input function. So if you want to have the user's input on a separate line, then you can add the new line character manually to the prompt text on your own. So name equals to input, give me your name, and now a new line character, and if I hit enter, my user input is on the next line, so the cursor is blinking on the next line. So Florian again, and name captures still my name, Florian. All right, that's pretty much all you need to know about the built-in input function. Let me know what you think in the comments. Stay curious and keep